the interim government headed by uh, Professor Muhammad Yunus, and he is a well-known person and Nobel laureate in peace, and he is globally known. And at this moment, the most priority of the government is to uh, bring the country in normalcy as well as work for the reforms and then go for an election. So our foreign policy is almost the same because our interest, national interest, are the same. So what we are doing is to enhance the relationship with Pakistan in the areas where the people are mostly benefited. So trade and investment, agriculture, disaster management, climate change. These are the issues where we have been collaborating with each other. Defense, certainly we have exchange of trainings and other collaborations, but I don't think there will be any further engagement in the defense.
Sir, as Pakistan is producing international quality defense production and we are exhibiting it after 2 years, so is there any possibility to joint venture like we can make frigate, small ships, or as you said, Pakistan and Bangladesh have such limited defense relation in terms of light equipment purchased from Bangladesh, is right? And as Ikram Sehgal Saab said, that the more and more 10 times increase in the training of Bangladeshi troops in Bangladesh. Is this momentum will continue after this change in Bangladesh?
I'm just trying to understand his question. What I think most of his statement and my statement has not been fully comprehended or understood. I mean, we have already established defense cooperation with Pakistan, mostly the exchange of trainings. What Ikram Sehgal Saab said is that we have 10 times more trainee officers coming to Pakistan than Pakistani trainee officers going to Bangladesh. So we already have existing training collaborations, and collaboration is in other areas between the two armed forces. So that will be continuing because that has been there for all throughout our history. But we are not really in procurement of armament from Pakistan. We don't procure it from Pakistan. Secondly, we don't even have any plan of going for armaments. We don't have any armament industry in Bangladesh. So there is no possibility of joint collaboration. Let us talk about other areas of cooperation. Trade is the key aspect of our bilateral relationship. Bangladesh is to be ninth largest export destination of Pakistan. So we also look at Pakistan for our industrial raw material, and Pakistan also import jute raw material because that is also an industrial raw material. So we are in collaboration in trade mostly for our industries. Let us talk about it. Let us talk in other areas like collaboration like cultural collaboration, collaboration in education, collaboration in agriculture, which is also key. You have 230 million or plus people. We have 165 million people, 170 million people. Feeding them, give them three meals a day is very important for our two countries.
So, regarding the direct flights, you mentioned that you are in touch with private airlines. So
No, I am not in touch with private airlines. I'm innocent. No. Your High Commissioner in Dhaka is in touch with a private airline operator in Bangladesh.
any chances of resuming direct
I mean, you know that things are still not fully settled down in Bangladesh. At this moment, the priority of the interim government is to bring the things back in Bangladesh in normalcy. You in Pakistan are in normal process, but in Bangladesh things has changed revolutionarily, and because of that, we are not in a position to go for anything in so fast or so quickly at this moment. it will be gradual things, and we will be addressing issues one after another, and so that we can have more and more people-to-people contact. We can have bigger trade between our two countries. We have collaboration in agriculture, IT, the areas which are important for economic development of our two countries and eventually benefit the people of the two countries.
Sir, later you discuss about the visa policy of Pakistan for Bangladeshis. So kindly elaborate the discussion.
Well, that is in the media. I mean, and also this is something which is something done by the government of Pakistan. I'm not in a position to elaborate on it. What you have seen, I have seen from the media. So I don't know much.
About that, sir. You have some concern.
No, we don't have any concern. What has been done from Pakistan side is that Pakistan government has issued a new list of 126 countries. The national of those countries can apply online, and they don't have to pay any visa fee. They can apply online and get visa in 24 hours time. That is what Bangladesh is included as one of the countries of this list of 126 countries.
Sir, as you mentioned, the social media platform can be a tool to bring two nations closer. Why not you mention the conventional media of Pakistan and Bangladesh? They are far. There is a huge gap between two media industries, Bangladesh and Pakistan.
I don't think so that there is a huge gap between the media houses of our two countries. I mean, at least I know that there are collaborations, there are exchanges, there are interaction between the media houses. I mean, major media houses in Pakistan as well as in Bangladesh. What has happened? I mean, there was no press counselor in my mission for 4.5 years. So the new press counselor has joined the High Commission only 6-7 months back. Now we are in a process of reviving this press interaction with media and press on regular basis, and that is it. And in case of this collaboration between the media houses, the major media houses are in touch. At least I'm aware of few of them.
Sir, you also discuss about the upcoming United Nations event in which your chief advisor will meet with Prime Minister of Pakistan. What would be the agenda of that particular meeting?
I mean, that will be mostly the goodwill agenda. There is no special agenda. The areas of collaboration I just mentioned, those are the areas we are looking at this moment to have, bigger and closer collaboration in. Agriculture, IT, climate change, disaster management, trade and commerce. These are the areas we are at this moment looking at to have bigger collaboration.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, kindly.